Yo, what up? This is Visanity from the Sis Bros channel. I'm back with another unboxing video, which I haven't done for a long time. I usually don't buy expensive stuff, but I've splurged on myself recently because, yeah, I needed a new phone because I've been using my iPhone 7 for quite a long time and it's getting slow. Yeah, it's just not up to date pretty much. And the camera is pretty shitty. It's got like a cracked lens. So when I take pictures, there's like a dot. There's like some black dots when I take pictures. So finally pulled the trigger and asked my friend to help me get the iPhone 12 mini, the product red, 128 gigabytes spec. He works in Apple, so he gets like 15% off, which is pretty cool. And he ordered it for me, I paid, and it gets sent directly to me. Pretty awesome. So before I begin, I want to give a shout out to this great chair, Secret Lab. If you're in the market for a gaming chair, look no elsewhere. Secret Lab, man, check them out. Use my affiliate link below and I get a percentage if you use that link to purchase the chair. So let's begin. So this is what I got. Well, it came in a box like this. I already opened it. It's a pretty small box. As you guys know, they changed the size. The box was like this big. Yeah. And the actual packaging is very small. It's very thin. As you guys know, they don't come with the power brick anymore, so that's why it can be this thin. And I haven't opened it yet, so unboxing video, that's why I'm unboxing it. And I also bought the case, which came in a bag like this. These were shipped separately, but they arrived the same day. I also ordered the MagSafe charger, the wireless charger, but that takes a bit longer. I think it will arrive like next week, but whatever. I can't wait that long. I want to use my phone today, so yeah, it came in a bag. So these were the two goodies that arrived. Okay, about the same size. The case. It is the clear case. So people can see that I got the product red with the This supports the MagSafe. It's the official Apple product. Okay. Let me shrink myself. I guess that's about right. I don't think you guys want to see me in an unboxing video. Alright, so here we go. Let's compare the size. This is my phone. I think I should do this after after I unbox everything, but to give you guys an idea. This is the iPhone 12 mini. I don't like big phones, so I didn't go for the regular iPhone. And just for contrast, this is an iPhone 5. iPhone 4 actually, iPhone 4. Let's do that later. Let's do this. Sorry, I'm not very good at these unboxing videos. Do I even need I don't even need a cutter, do I? So it just goes like this. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Very user-friendly unboxing experience. So, designed by Apple, assembled in China, product red. Let's open the case as well. Oh, so it's like this. Wow, so you don't you don't need any box cutters or anything. when you unbox the Apple products now. Wow. It's all very streamlined and everything. So here's the case. It's got the MagSafe thingy. Nice. Oh, it's very, very hard. You guys can hear. But it's quite thick though. Might make the phone a bit bulky, but we'll see. Here comes the phone. Alright. Let's do it like this. Center it. Ooh, look at that red. Yeah, I've never had a product red iPhone before. It's always been like black, white, boring colors. I've had gold. Actually filming this video with an iPhone 6, which that one is gold. It's my wife's old phone though. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Finally got a new phone after like 3 years, 2-3 years of using that iPhone 7. Let's peel that off. Oh, it's got like that's pretty cool. It's like the mute button, volume up, volume down, power button, and then lightning charging slot. Ooh, we peel that off. Ooh, satisfying. That's very satisfying. Now the phone is black. The body, the bezel, the screen, whatever you call it. And then it's got 2 cameras, and then the flash. It's got like glass. I think the back is like glass, so it's like kind of shiny. It's not fingerprint prone to fingerprints. It's got the product red. You can see down there. That's it. Doesn't come with anything pretty much. Just comes with, yeah, comes with the SIM card, needle, product red. Doesn't even come with the headphones. Comes with the sticker, the usual Apple sticker. What else is there? Lightning to USB-C cable. That's it. That is it. That's it. Wow. Very, very simple. It's pretty much nothing. See if we can actually power up the phone. It's probably no power. Oh, it's got power. Now let's compare the phones without the cases. Let me remove the case from my iPhone 6. I mean iPhone 7. This is iPhone 7. So side by side comparison. So it's even smaller. So the iPhone 7 is actually bigger in terms of length than the iPhone 12 mini. And obviously the iPhone 4 is smaller. But of course the screen itself is larger because it doesn't have the home button. And yeah. Still a bit of a bezel though, as you can see on the front of the screen. Let's compare the backs. Now the iPhone 12 is thicker. It's a bit thicker. I think pretty much, yeah, it's like a bit thicker than the 7. then we got the 4, of course, much thicker, but shorter in terms of length. So my iPhone 7 will become my spare phone now, and I have to get used to this the one touch like the without the home button. I'm gonna have to get used to this. Let's put on the case. See how bulky it is with the case. Wow. It seems kind of hard to pop on the case. Whoa. It's pretty. Wow. I don't know. This case is kind of bulky. And it's pretty thick, but it's very sturdy. It's very hard. And it covers. So it sticks out a bit on the side here. So when you drop, I guess it will protect the screen itself too, when it actually lands face flat. So I guess that's a good thing. But it's pretty big. But I kind of like it. It's sturdy. It feels very sturdy and strong. And the camera. Let's see. Region, Hong Kong. Of course. Selecting language. Yeah, so with this upgrade, I can now take much better photos and videos for my Instagram. I'll be posting more items there. So please follow me on Instagram. The link is down there. It's instagram.com/sysbros, basically. Set up manually, quick start. Preferred keyboard, Yeah, I'll do this stuff later. Yeah, I'll do this stuff later. Maybe do another video. So far, pretty sturdy. I like it. It's pretty good. Need to test the camera later, after I set up the phone. So maybe I'll do another video. I don't know if I'll do another video, but we'll see. But here it is. This is the iPhone 12 mini unboxing. Yeah, let's check it. Put them together again. Apple family. Well, not quite. I've been using the iPhone since iPhone 3GS, and then iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, that's the one you see here. Then I didn't get any new iPhones until the 12 mini here, so I've waited quite a bit. My wife has the iPhone 11 I think, or 10, I can't remember. Yeah, so that's it. That's my unboxing video. So here we go. I hope I will enjoy this, my new phone. I'll probably be using this for quite some time, several years probably, until I get the next upgrade. So thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notifications, let me know if you like these kind of content. I don't really do these much because I don't really spend much money usually. This is a huge investment for me. It's like cost me like 6,000 Hong Kong dollars, including the case and the charger, even though I got some discount. So pretty big investment, so that's why I make a video. Alright, so stay tuned for more unboxing videos. I will unbox other Captain Tsubasa related items as well, and if I get new gadgets, I'll also unbox. Alright, so hope you like this video. Enjoy your day. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, help me reach 10K, and I'll see you next time. Peace.